it is wash day. So stay tuned to find out what products I use for this hot mess. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, my long curly hair is gone. I cut my hair. You know, you get to a point where you have had long curly hair, long curly / wavy hair for the longest, and you just get tired of it. Because I cut my hair, I decided to change the products I use, and I decided to also try to keep it at a minimum. For my shampoo, I am using, I'm still using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo from Shea Moisture. This baby right here, and this is awesome. I'm using the Manuka Honey Marula Oil Intensive Hydration Mask from Shea Moisture. This one, guys, I found the mask. I found the mask I was looking for. This is by far the best mask I've used. Gets rid of the tangles super easily, moisturized. It's just the best freaking mask. Guys, all the videos you see on Instagram, all the reviews, it's true. This is by far the best gel, best styler I've used. You literally just need this. It actually works better if I just use it by itself than by using leave-in conditioner. And I also use this to refresh my hair every day. So far it is amazing. So this is my current styler for now. Alright, step 1, shampoo. So in terms of how much product to use, I use like about 3 to 4 pumps and just distribute it throughout my hair. I just make sure to really scalp massage. I scalp massage for at least 3 minutes. You can use a shampoo brush to scalp massage even better. So that's up to you. Alright, so for deep conditioning, I make sure to apply a liberal amount of conditioner. Your curls really need that moisture. As you can tell, I'm finger detangling and pulling the hair apart. Then I grab more product and I finger comb it throughout my hair. Then I grab a wide tooth comb and distribute the product even more evenly. Alright, so I apply plastic cap and leave it on for 5 minutes. If you want extra moisture or extra conditioning, leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes. Alright, so for styling, right, the only thing I gotta say is don't apply too much product because your curls will not like it. So just try to find how much product your hair needs. So I rake the product throughout my hair, and then I slide the product throughout my hair, and then I scrunch with my hands, and then I finish off by scrunching with a t-shirt. Alright, so for diffusing, I just literally just move my hair around and let the diffuser do its thing. I take about 10 minutes to diffuse it, and I just make sure to apply the diffuser on my scalp too, because I freaking hate when my hair is dry and my scalp is wet. So yeah guys, and that's it. It's pretty easy. Hi guys, so welcome back. These are the final results. FYI, it's still like about 10% wet. I actually like to have like that 10% air dry, but yeah guys, that's all I got for you. Simple, easy curly hair routine, just 3 products, diffusing, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please follow me in any of my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Please comment down below if you have any questions about my curly hair routine, if you want other tips. And what else? Please let me know down below what videos you would like me to make. I know a lot of you have been commenting on what videos you want to see, but please, if you have a suggestion, please comment down below and I will get to them. And yeah, this channel is for you guys. This channel is for me to help you, entertain you, motivate you, you know. I'm a human being. I mean, I guess we all have our flaws, but I'm happy to help in any way possible. So please comment down below if you have any suggestions, any other questions concerning curly hair, or just questions about life in general. Just let me know down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification button if you enjoyed watching this video. And please share this video with your friends, especially if you have curly hair friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in another video. Bye!